Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog around the house. Well, we're back at it again with this LG dishwasher because it keeps setting out that AE code for leakage. Well, I discovered that I believe this valve right here is the culprit. So we're going to try and see. I gotta look in the book real quick and find out what this thing is. But that's coming out of your air adjuster going in here, coming across. But it is wet in a little tray here. So AE means you've got a leakage. So I gotta assume that's what it is. Maybe the O-ring is bad, but I remember I did mess with that when I was searching for other things. So let's go ahead and twist that and see if I can get it off. So we disconnect push the little pins back on here to get the plug off of it. And then we're gonna, it looks like a couple of locking tabs. We're gonna push so we can, clockwise is to open it, and counterclockwise is to close it. Alright, so the light stayed out, and now she's loading it up. I'm looking in the book here to see if I can find that part. I think what I'm looking at is it. Right there is the hole. So right now, one of these two here. M027 or M2028. You have an M026. 6, 7, and 8. Not sure what this thing is. Might be in there. I'm gonna look those up and find out what they are. Alright, so that is called the drain case. And you have the inlet valve. And like I said, drain case, which is 5, you're just gonna disconnect the motor, disconnect the connector, and then turn drain clockwise and remove. So that is right there. That's what I removed, and that's what was leaking. So this is the code we're still getting, is an AE. And it says the door gasket came loose or fell off. Float assembly is stuck. The controller is trouble. Well, it's definitely not the controller. And it's definitely not the door. But it asks if there's leakage in the troubleshooting. Internal leakage. Conditional internal leakage, which is leaking around that drain. That drain motor assembly there. Pissing me off here because if you've got a code, okay, now it's giving you a picture of what you might be looking at. But guess what? I come over here to AE and there's no pictures. There's no pictures of nothing. It says check the float. Well, there's no float. There's no picture of a float, so I'm still looking for the float. Okay, as you can see, it's running again. Get you in there real quick and see if that thing is leaking. Yeah, it's wet. Wet around that freaking seal again. Feel it. It's spinning in there. It's leaking. So we're gonna have the same problem. It's not leaking all over the floor, it's just leaking in that casing. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Crosby's Around the House. And this is this project LG. Okay, I can almost close this video for this time around. She made it through her cycle. She got 3 minutes left. But unfortunately, this thing here is still leaking around the seal. I screwed up because I pulled that out. I shouldn't have. But anyway, made it through. Let's see how long it lasts. That's it. She's done. End is end. Okay, I'm gonna say it's in. I'm gonna see everything was spotless in there. I don't understand why. Well, I do know because it's leaking. So anyway, everything is warm in here still. Glasses are crystal clear. Bowls are even that's crystal clear. No streaks. All right. No streaks. I'm dry. We use the Cascade pods. So anyway, everything looks good. It's still warm in here, so my heater is working. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, don't be sure. You'll catch me on the next Around the House.